Today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of milestones in Asana. So when you're adding a milestone, you're breaking up larger projects into smaller, more digestible pieces. So what we're going to do here is let's go into our video production workflow, which we've recently created using Asana's AI. Fantastic, quick, easy, simple, so convenient. Now you'll see there's a few different things that we can do here, but the one very important thing is the view that we are seeing our production or our project in. So you can see it says list over here, and it has an add task, and it has a drop-down menu. Now, if you go into overview, you will not see that. Board, you will not see that. Timeline, you will not see that. Dashboard, you will not see that. And there's a bunch of other views that you won't see that in. So go to list, click on the drop-down menu, click on milestone. Here you can see there is a new milestone. All right. So we can call this milestone 1. Okay. Let's just do this. Click on over here, milestone, new milestone 1. So basically what's going to happen is you've created this milestone, and if you'd like to move this milestone, you can actually literally pick it up and drag it wherever you'd like to move it. Of course, you can also click on it. You'll be able to see all the details of the milestone. So you'll be able to maybe add attachments. You can also create subtasks. You can copy its link, make it full screen. You can add also some custom fields over here, add its properties. You can create a description over here as well as adding a subtask into there. And you can see all of the activity right over here at the bottom. So quickly and easily, you'll be able to create a milestone. And what's lovely is inside that little block, you can actually click on that, and it'll now make it complete. It has a little complete label as well and a check mark in that main view.